So Fede, there's a misconception about the Cold War. Most people think that the Cold War is between USA and USSR. On the surface, it is. But the Cold War was about who controls the means of production, yabo, who controls the labor, who controls the land, and who controls our natural resources. Yabo, it's about the means of production. This why engayenzekanga eEurope kuphela. Even as even as Asia, the Cold War it was or is at play. Yabo, iChina, Abu Mao Zedong, Taiwan, yangithola iNorth Korea neSouth Korea, ama-communist nama-capitalist, yangithola iVietnam, iNorth Vietnam neSouth Vietnam. Then engazange yaphelela even nase-Asia kuphela, even nala e-Africa, it played a role, yabo, who controls the means of production. That's why uPatrice Lumumba eCongo, the CIA had a hand in his assassination, yangithola. That's why CIA had a hand in the overthrowing of Kwame Nkrumah. That's why uThomas Sankara bambulala, even Nazi like South Africa. That's why uChris Hani noSabelo Phama baqeda ngabo, because they wanted to control the means of production. Yabo, who controls the means of production? Capitalism ithi the means of production are controlled by private entities. Yabo, umuntu one can hold 10 plots, 10 hectares umhlaba, 100 hectares umhlaba. Yabo, but communism ithi 100 hectares umhlaba must be shared equally amongst abantu. Yabo, and that thing is not just about umhlaba, yabo, it has economic ramifications. Yabo, ukuthi if umhlaba udistributha kanje, ubani ozohola kulo mhlaba, uzohola malini, uzosebenza kanjani, uzosebenza how long, yangithola. Who owns the means of production? That was the main battle. That was the main bone of contention between the communism and capitalism, between the Cold War. So obviously, there's a misconception, because most people about USA and USSR, Cold War, because another misconception would see 1947, and the Cold War 1917, when USA, France, and many capitalist blocs were in cahoots of overthrowing the Bolshevik revolution, because bebangafuni ukuthi abantu own the means of production. So mocabanga, do you think i-Cold War yaphela kamampela or yachange iform isasekhona namanje, but now it plays in a different way?